Hello, Avinash, Bhavna,
Hello,
Jyoti.
Avinash. Hi,
Hi
Krishna. Hi, Jyoti
Krishna.
ji.
Hi Jyoti.
Yes.
Hi Bhavna. Welcome to your incredible journey, guys. How's it going? How was your day today?
It was fine.
Yeah, the day is a little long for me today. I slept for long. I got
Oh my
tired
God.
yesterday, so
You were tired
Exactly.
yesterday. Lucky
yeah, I
you.
was tired yesterday.
It was difficult for me also. I was not feeling well today, so even I slept for long, and I'm back.
But
Same here. Same here. Even I slept for a long time today.
I
but
so
as
lucky
and when
that
this session comes, we all get energized again.
Yes,
This
we
is
get
like a
charged up
Exactly.
and get ready.
yeah,
Exactly.
absolutely.
Just by seeing you guys, I get motivated and charged up.
thank
So
I feel like
guys,
going to college now. Actually, that is how the session is going with
yes,
my friends.
the feeling.
Yes,
guys,
Avinash.
we have a very interesting session today, which is success blueprint. Okay, name itself is very interesting. It's a success story. It's your own success story. So guys, before we start Success Blueprint, I just wanted you to share your experience about Vision Board. So, what did you learn from Vision Board yesterday? You can start with Krishna.
The vision board, it's just a condensed version of myself and a condensed version of my life. How my life, if it is put into a pictorial way, depicted, that is how my life would be.
Yeah, I mean to say, what is the main purpose of Vision Board?
My short term, long term. The purpose of vision
That,
board is to motivate you, to push you to see what you want to be, where you want to go ahead in your life. It is just like a radar, kind of a light showing you the path where you lead,
yes, exactly.
and it's the
Mhm.
pinnacle, it's the destination.
Yes, that's your vision, and you have to keep that always within your reach. Always see that and get
Yeah,
motivated.
yeah,
That Vision Board should
yeah,
motivate you every now and then. Whenever you are down, just have to
yeah.
see the Vision Board and get motivated. That's the main purpose. So from now onwards, keep your Vision Board always within your reach. You have to see that every day and get motivated. All right. So guys,
Yeah.
similar to the Vision Board, we have one more activity which is Success Blueprint. So we have a big uh, it's page number 125. We also have a big success blueprint where you have to write all your baselines, e-codes. It's like a recap for you. So whatever you went through the entire 5 weeks, you have to write all your baselines there, e-codes, the outcomes, and people who empower you. You have to mention everything, and you have to make one success blueprint for yourself. Instead of referring the entire manual, you can just see your success blueprint. It's a big page. You can just see that, and you'll come to know the entire picture of your journey, your incredible journey. Okay. So it's to see page number 125. It clearly states you have to mention your baselines, e codes. You have to mention your 3-year outcomes, 5-year outcomes. You have to mention about your power leaps, your ultimate outcome statement, and your support team, people who support you always, who who actually motivates you always. You can write about that, and what does success mean to you? You can mention that also in the success blueprint. It's like a entire journey. Whatever you have seen for 5 weeks, you can mention everything there. You can also include few more e-codes in that, whatever you want to include. You feel that I require this e-code to motivate me, you can write that as well. And what new skills you require to move ahead to achieve success, you can write that. And which part of your character needs to improve, you can write that as well. You can write some additional e-codes. It's about the entire journey, guys. It's an amazing thing. It's a You can also write the power code statement, the entire success blueprints power code statements. Just by seeing the statement, you get motivation. You can write that as well. Okay, so can somebody read this for me? Page number 125. Can you see that in your manual? Page number 125.
Yes.
Yes. So
Yeah.
in this activity, your clients go through all the previous week's works and write down all the things they have achieved and discovered about themselves in this section. It's like a recap for you. All the 4
Yeah.
weeks you have to write that right over there. And outcomes purpose is for your clients to create their own unique success blueprint so that they can use it to make their life even better. Okay. So there are a few steps here. Step 1, write down all your baselines, your e-codes, your outcomes, people who
Got
empower
it,
you.
Coach.
That's in step.
We got it. We got it. We'll do the activity and then we'll come back.
Yes, you
Pretty
can just read the steps.
self-explanatory.
Yeah, it's a
Just
self.
read 2 more steps. Just read 2 more steps and then I want to leave you.
Yeah. Step
Sure.
2.
Step 2, define what success means to you.
Yeah.
And step 3, write down any final changes you must make to yourself to ensure you achieve the success you desire in life. So whatever changes you think is required to achieve success, you can write that as well. That means nobody will stop you now once you write all these things. So guys, let's do the activity now. I think it's
Yes.
self-explanatory. Do you have any more questions to ask before I leave you guys for the activity? Any questions?
No.
No, not yet.
Nothing.
Okay, guys, here we go then. Do your activity. I'll catch you later.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Welcome back,
Yeah, we are
guys.
Welcome.
Welcome, Bhavna.
Hi,
Welcome,
Coach.
welcome, Krishna. So, how was the activity, guys? Your success
Yes,
blueprint
like-
activity. How was it? Did you guys
Yeah,
enjoy
it
it?
was good. Yeah, it was good.
Okay.
It was a revision from the start till date.
Absolutely.
Can I
It's
say
like a
something?
revision.
Yeah, Coach, I
Yeah,
felt as
please.
if I'm writing my final exam, my degree, I should say. Whatever I learned in the entire year, I have written my exam. So that's how I.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. It's like a recap. You have to write your final exam now.
Yeah.
You have to write
I
whatever you
feel
have
like
learned
I
in
am
all
less
the
last minute preparation for me to write my exam. So
It's all in your mind, guys. You have learned it from so many weeks. So whatever you have learned, you just have to write that. That's it. You know your baselines, you know your e-codes. Just have to write that in a piece of paper, which will motivate you. You can see it at one place instead of seeing all the
Yes.
pages. You see it in one place,
Yeah.
and you can write
yes.
your power code statement. So I guess you have done the activity, right? So let's start with Jyotiji. So, page number 126 is about your baselines. I'm sure you know your baselines. And
Yes.
I just want to know about your e-codes. What extra e-codes did you write to add in your success blueprint? Can you share with the team?
I have mentioned 3 of my e-codes which I want to add on. One is I am successful than I have ever imagined. Nothing is impossible for me, and God is always
Mhm.
working for my goodness, and I'm gratified towards it. So these are 3.
Absolutely. 3 e-codes you have added,
Yes.
apart from your 6 e-codes.
Yeah.
Wonderful. And can you also share your power code statement, which will motivate you?
Yeah, my power code statement is I'm super successful, I'm super healthy, I'm a great motivator, I'm sufficient, reliable, and super rich woman.
You are absolutely wonderful. And the last thing I want to ask you is about your what success means to you. Page number 130.
Yeah, for me, it's success is respected in society and family. Success is when I'm independent and feel time and money is not constrained for me to do any noble
Mhm.
cause.
Okay.
And one more thing I added to it, it is
Yes.
success. This is the first point, and the second is for me, success when I am when I am materialistically, physically, and spiritually accomplished.
Wow, that's really nice.
This is
That's a powerful statement. And what extra skills you require to achieve your success? Do you write that, Jyoti?
Yeah,
What do you think you?
absolutely. My new skills is first, as we have discussed all through our program. One is the digital marketing. Second is uh, strong content making to make my video more impactful, and
Mhm.
not reacting but responding.
The last thing I want to ask you is about the support team. Support team, these people empower you to take action. Who are those people?
The most important people are my buddies. They have really these 4 weeks is actually a real transformation of mine. So these buddies are my
Absolutely, I also agree.
Anna? Yeah, I echo
Yes,
with you in this. So they are my foremost people who are my motivator, my buddies. Then are my nephews. One is a computer engineer, one is doing his MBA, and I follow the inspiration book of Robin Sharma. Now I am a hardcore
wow,
follower of Robin Sharma because all
wow,
his, I can really tell you, all his words is too much related in the program itself. Lot of his work. So
is it
I
okay?
can, yeah, yeah, it's very much is related. So Robin Sharma and Gaur Gopal Das. I follow his,
Okay,
Gaur
Yes,
Gopal Das.
me
yes,
too.
yes,
Robin Sharma and Gaur
wonderful,
Gopal Das.
wonderful, Jyoti. It was really nice listening to you. Amazing. You always stick to your success blueprint now. You know what motivates you and what you're made up of now. So always stick to this. I'm sure you'll achieve your success. All the best for you, and I'm sure you'll get whatever you want in life. That's for sure. And your buddies are always there, Bhavna, Krishna, and I'm also there with you. You can always get back to us whenever you require any help. All the best for your success. I'm sure within 6 months you'll achieve whatever you want to in life.
thank you so much. When these 4 weeks itself, such a transformation I've seen in myself. So I know I will succeed a lot with such a good people around me. Thank you so much.
Definitely, we'll see that. Definitely, you will achieve success. I was trying to make a video of all the whatever activities we have done because we have a WhatsApp group, right? I was observing everything right from first day. Uh, I thought of starting with Krishna's pick, trees pick, and then Bhavna's dance and your exercise picks, dance pick. I thought of making a video and sharing it to you. I just started it. I'll share it to you guys later.
So
Wonderful.
Wow,
ah,
wonderful.
Wonderful.
Okay, so moving forward, let's start with Krishna now. Krishna, how was
Yeah.
the activity? Success blueprint. Did you
It's
feel
like
motivated?
I am like revising the wonderful movie. I'm revisiting the wonderful movie. All the fun filled, uh, drama filled inspiration. It's like it's a beautiful thing. I was continuously laughing. I was continuously feeling as if, okay, am I the one? I was like laughing at my own self when I look at the first video of mine. Oh, it's,
You are the
it's
one,
really
yes.
funny.
What an amazing transformation, Krishna, I can say. Hats off to you.
Absolutely.
Keep it up. We all are very, very happy because you are in this team, this group.
Thank you.
Coming to the activity success blueprint, did you finish the activity? Did you
Yes,
find it interesting? I just
absolutely.
want, I just want you to add, share a few e-codes which you added.
The e-codes. I am the master of. The, I am the master of the codes.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
where I give the power to any code or any encode. So I
Wow.
hold that power within me.
That's more
So I'm the
powerful.
master.
Yeah. In fact, it's more powerful than e-codes.
Yeah.
last one, third one.
And the third one is like just chill.
Okay, fine.
Just
Krishna, can you share your what success means to you? We all want to know. The team wants to know what success means to you.
success means to me, if I have peace and joy in me and a smile on my face every moment, that is a success for me.
Wow, amazing. Every moment you want peace and joy. That's a success
Yes,
for you.
and a smile on my face and a heart full of
Exactly.
love.
Cool. Amazing. Nice one, Krishna. I hope that you always be laughing, smiling, always be peaceful and joyful. And we are sure about it. You will be like that.
Thank you.
And what's your power code statement, Krishna?
I am blessed to be Krishna, and
Mhm.
I'm here to inspire myself and to inspire millions others.
You're blessed to be Krishna in the sense, God Krishna. Hello.
And I'm blessed to be whatever this is.
Yeah.
Krishna is
Nice.
a coach. I feel he is an
Yes.
incarnation of Lord Krishna. Now we are watching
Yes.
Mahabharata. It's coming morning and evening. So he's depicting, he is the incarnation, next incarnation of in the human form.
Yes.
You
I was
guys
trying to
all
say
are
the same thing.
exactly.
I was trying to say the same thing. Yes, he is a God for us in this group.
Parthi.
Only thing is we are missing is Murli. I mean, flute. Otherwise, he's a real Krishna for us.
Yeah.
Amazing journey, Krishna. We really enjoyed being with you in this group.
Same
It was a
here,
great
guys.
thing.
Same here. Thank you.
I'm sure
Coach.
that you will achieve whatever you want in your life. And I just want you to share who are your support team.
Yeah. The support team is the support team is obviously you guys for sure, and also each and everyone who aspire to live a life rather than spending life, who aspire to be new every moment. Those are all my inspiration. Those are all my support team.
Wonderful.
Whether I know them, whether I don't know them, it's irrespective. If I see them, they will be my support.
Yeah, you just see them, they'll become your friends and
Anything for that matter. Now the wind is flowing and the trees are dancing. And I feel so overjoyed the life that is happening there. So that is my support team.
Yeah, live in every moment, enjoy every moment of life. The
Absolutely.
fullest.
Absolutely.
Great. Nice thoughts, Krishna. It was really nice to have you in this group. I
Thank you.
am sure that you'll achieve whatever you want in life. You said you wanted to coach 15 people by December, right? I'm sure you will do that easily. All the best to you.
Thank you.
And
Thank
the
you.
entire buddy team, we all are always there. Dreamers of
Thank
Life
you.
group is always there with you. Whatever support you require, we are there. Ensure that we'll support you forever.
Sure. Thank you.
It's been an amazing journey, 5 weeks with you. All the best, Krishna.
Thank you so much, Avinash. Thank you so much, guys.
Moving to Bhavna. How are you, Bhavna? Are you feeling better now?
Yeah, better. Yes, I'm pretty good now.
Great. So, how was the activity? Success Blueprint activity? Did you
It was a
enjoy?
revision. It was a revision of my journey from day one till date. And
Exactly.
when I look back, the way I was responding, when I saw my video of previous weeks and this week, I I found it funny.
I mean, you have seen the transformation in you, right? First week and
Yes.
fifth week. Yes, we can
Yes,
see a completely
very
different
much.
Bhavna now. The mindset has been changed. You're ready to do whatever you want to do in life.
Yeah.
We can see that just by seeing you, we can notice that. Coming to the activity, can you share
Yes.
with the team regarding your support team?
Yeah. My support team, obviously my buddies, all four of you. Sorry, all three of you. And apart from all my buddies, like all we have, and my childhood friend Sonika, and Shanmukh, and my mom.
Okay, they are still in touch with you and they always motivate you.
Yeah, my
Childhood
buddies
friend.
Jyoti ji, Krishna,
Yeah, we are
you.
always there.
Yes.
We are there. The childhood
Yeah,
friend is
my
still in touch
childhood
with
friend.
you.
Yeah, she's still in touch with me. And apart from that, Shanmukh. And
Great, great. So, anyways, we'll be always there to support you when whatever you require, whenever you require. That's for sure. And what are the additional e-codes you have added into this? It will
additional
motivate you, which will empower
e-codes,
you.
I've added many. Shall I?
Yeah, please
Please.
carry on.
Yeah. I'm a triumphant warrior. I'm unstoppable. I'm a contributor. I'm full of life. I paint my life. I'm spirited and multifaceted. I'm passionate. I'm beautiful. I'm successful, healthy, and happy. I'm a dancer. I'm
Oh,
powerful, and I attract opportunities and success.
She's become
What
totally
e-codes?
unstoppable.
Yes, she is now unstoppable. See our e-codes now. E-codes are more powerful now. Yes, you are all that, Bhavna. Keep it up.
and you are
You
lovable too.
Yes,
Yeah.
adorable.
adorable.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Whenever you feel low, you can just read all these e-codes. I'm sure you'll get that motivation.
Yeah.
Just open your success blueprint and read whatever you have learned it from past 4 or 5 weeks. You'll be a different world.
Yes.
And what does success mean to you, Bhavna?
Success means economic independence along with good health and determination in fulfilling all my dreams, my crazy dreams too.
Yes.
Again, second point, it is bringing a revolutionary change and inspiring others through my deeds and my success. Third one is I want to be remembered for my sportive spirit and to be loved for my contribution in changing others' lives even after my death.
Wonderful.
Wow.
This
That's
is
great. That's
success
great.
to me.
Yes. Success to you, and you always keep your success blueprint. Hats off to you, Bhavna.
Thank
You
you.
can see a drastic change in you. Keep up the spirit. All right. So, guys, you have any questions to ask me before I wind up this session?
No.
No, no.
What did you learn? Can any one of you share? What did you learn from Success Blueprint? What is the purpose of the activity?
It's like I'm seeing a blueprint of my house before my house is being made. I made a blueprint of it to see exactly my house will be like this. So my success blueprint
Exactly.
really makes me to look myself in that mirror. That this is what I am.
Yes,
This is
that's
how.
true. That's true.
I
That's your
echo with you,
success, and
Jyoti ji.
Yeah, Sita.
so, please stick with your success blueprint, and you will see many changes in yourself. You'll achieve success, guys. So, see you guys again in the next session. I'm very happy that you have got your success blueprints. Just have to follow that now and achieve success. All the best, guys. Keep it up.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you, girls.
Hats off to you. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.